You've been there. You get home from a shoot, excited to dig into your favorite shots. You upload the images, and that one perfect moment is blurry. Unintentional blur can ruin a photograph. But in a world of advanced AI editing, you have more power than ever to fix it. We've tested the best software and methods to find out what actually works. Before we get to the fix, let's quickly cover why this happens. Understanding the cause is the first step to preventing it. There are 3 main culprits. First, camera shake and slow shutter speed. This is the #1 cause. If your shutter is open too long while you're holding the camera, any tiny movement, even your own breathing, will cause blur. As a rule of thumb, for moving subjects, start at a shutter speed of at least 1/250th of a second and go up from there. Second, out of focus subjects. This is when the camera's autofocus simply missed. It might be because you were in the wrong AF mode, like using single point for a subject that's moving, when you really needed continuous. Third, low resolution or high compression. If you shoot in a very small file size or a highly compressed JPEG, you're throwing away image data. This can make an image look muddy or blurry because there just aren't enough pixels to create a crisp image. The fix? Always shoot in RAW or the largest file size your camera offers. Okay, but the photo is already blurry. Let's talk about fixing it in post-production. We tested the top tools. For the best results, we turned to dedicated AI tools. In our testing, Topaz Photo AI provided the best overall fix. Its face recovery AI is incredibly effective on close-up portraits, and the Unblur tool does a great job on mild to moderate blur for an entire image. Another powerhouse is Luminar Neo. Its super sharp AI tool had the best performance in our tests for correcting motion blur. If you're on a budget, Affinity Photo is a fantastic free alternative to Photoshop. Its AI editing tools are included when you have a paid Canva account. And GIMP is a powerful, completely free option, though it does have a steeper learning curve. But, a word of caution. No software can restore a severely out of focus image. These tools work best on mild to moderate blur. If you push them too hard, you'll start to see unnatural, artifacty results. The best way to fix a blurry photo is to get it sharp in camera. First, remember the shutter speed rule. A good starting point is to set your shutter speed to at least twice the focal length of your lens. So if you're using a 70mm lens, shoot at 1/140th of a second or faster. If your subject is moving, go much faster. Second, don't be afraid to master manual focus. If your autofocus is struggling in low light or low contrast situations, switching to manual can be a total lifesaver. So, let's recap. Do check your shutter speed. Do use the highest file resolution possible. Don't try to handhold your camera at super slow shutter speeds. And do use these powerful AI tools to rescue a favorite moment that's just a little blurry. Getting into the habit of using proper technique is the ultimate solution. But for those times you just miss, it's good to know that a fix is often just a click away.